Hey, today is a fun day. It's one of my favorites. It's when we take a look at ourselves and hopefully look at your family members too and see what you might have in common with them that you inherited. So it's like, can you roll your tongue? Can you have your mom or dad, brothers, sisters? Can they roll their tongue? Can you look at your earlobes? Are they attached or are they detached? Do you have a widow's peak? Okay. Look at your hands. You're going to talk about your hair whirl. Does it go clockwise or counterclockwise? So, some neat things. So, you want to start out and you want to use the link that I have in our Google Doc. And I'm going to get rid of my face here. And you want to go down through some observable human characteristics. And it will give you a little bit of reading to do, and then it will show you some images to help you figure out if you are, like, example, attached or unattached. And it talks a little bit about each trait. So I want you to take some time. I want you to go down through this, read this, see if you can figure out what you are and for some of these traits, and also take a look at some family members. If you want to go back and go learn a little bit more, like what are some traits, you can do that here, and you can also dig around on the internet to look to see how common some of these traits are. You'll see some of that information in the Learn Genetics site. So make a list of those, take time to look at your family members, and then I'm asking you to share a 30-second minimum flip grid where you just tell me something that you found interesting about this, or you can even just drop into my office hours today just to tell me a little bit about what you found out. And we're going to, I want to show you one last thing. Tomorrow we're going to be doing some pedigrees. One really cool thing that we aren't able to do is do the PTC paper testing, and that's always something neat. So if we were in the classroom, one thing I like to show students is this frequency in the general population. Like, there's about 70% of people in the world that can roll their tongue and 30% can't. Right-handed, left-handed, and then we talk about this hand clasping. This is actually a frequency for traits. This is the website you might want to go check out. It's an NIH site, great information. And allele frequencies are also tied into as we study evolution. So this, if you stuff really interests you, you definitely want to sign up for AP biology or pursue taking another biology class in the future. All right, so tomorrow is some information on pedigrees.